Oh, Oklahoma, known for its gorgeous sunrises, pretty good football teams, some famous country singers, and allergies.
Unfortunately, here in Oklahoma, we're the lucky ones who also have some mountain cedar.
And that cedar fever is rampant, even in the winter. Plus, Dr. Nalin Yuji says we are also dealing with those indoor allergens.
When it becomes winter, we kind of stay indoors more. We have less ventilation, and we tend to have a lot of indoor allergens, kind of like your pets, molds, and we have things like dust mites.
And now, allergy symptoms cause even more concern because many are also symptoms of COVID-19. So how can you tell the difference?
A lot of it is, we can also treat with the medications, and if it goes away, then probably not COVID.
Dr. Yuji also says allergies should not be causing any type of fever, so go ahead and get yourself a thermometer. Shelby Cashman, KOCO 5 News.